Hey there, did you know that there are people earning thousands of dollars per month just by uploading simple videos on YouTube? Yes, it's true. For instance, Mr. Nightmare channel earns a whopping $50,000 per month, while IMR Scary Tales channel makes $14,000 per month, and Nighttime Spooks channel earns $4,000 per month, all by uploading simple videos that get millions of views. And that's not all. The Dark Somnium channel rakes in $12,000 per month doing the same thing. But the best part is that you too can learn how to create similar videos that can earn money. In this video, I'll teach you step by step how to create a video without even showing your face using only AI tools. From script writing to voice generation and video creation, you'll learn everything you need to know to start making money on YouTube like a pro. So what are you waiting for? Specifically in this video, I will give you many things that can turn a boring video into engaging, professional-looking videos, such as motion graphics, backgrounds, sound effects, stickers, overlay, PNG, emojis, and more. So watch the full video carefully. Please don't miss today's offer. Also, if you want to buy any AI tool, use our affiliate link for up to 50% off. Let's get started. Are you looking to write an engaging and informative video script about a spooky story? Look no further than ChatGPT AI. Simply provide some prompts, such as your target audience, mystery and suspense lovers, and their interests, true crime horror, classic horror, psychological horror, and let this AI work its magic. Once it generates the script, copy and paste it into your notepad and give it a careful edit to make sure it's just right. With ChatGPT AI, anyone can easily create a captivating video script that will wow their audience. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try today. Are you ready to transform your script into high-quality audio? Great. Let's get started with step 2. Head over to murph.ai website and create a free account or log in if you already have one. Once you're in, create a new project and paste your text into the designated box. Don't forget to make sure your text is clear and accurate. Now comes the fun part, choosing the perfect voice. With a wide variety of voices to choose from, including different genders, tones, and accents, you're sure to find the one that perfectly matches your script and audience. Once you've made your selection, simply click the Generate button and let the AI work its magic. After the AI analyzes your script and synthesizes the audio with the selected voice, it's time to give it a listen.
Our journey begins at the edge of town, where an ancient mansion stands decrepit and abandoned. Once a place of grandeur and opulence, it now serves as a beacon of dread, drawing in those who seek to uncover its sinister.
If you're happy with the result, go ahead and click the download button to get your brand new audio file. First, head over to Pictory AI's website and create a free account. Once you're logged in, you can choose from 4 fantastic tools, including script to video and article to video. For this step, we'll use a script to video. It's super easy. Just click on Proceed and start typing or pasting your script. Then, click on Proceed again and let Pictory AI work its magic. In just a few seconds, you'll have access to over 3 million footage options that will perfectly match your script. How cool is that? Next up, you can add a voiceover to your video. Simply click on Audio, upload your file, and click on Apply Entire Video once it's done. It's that simple. Finally, it's time to give your video a personal touch. Pictory AI has millions of footage options, so you can replace any scene with footage that perfectly fits your vision. Just select a scene and click on Visuals, and you'll see the footage library that matches your keyword. Choose from millions of options and replace any footage you want. And voila! Your video is ready to download and upload. But before I show you the final video result, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, Make Money Online 2024, for more exciting videos. You can even use the discount code in the description to save up to 50%. And remember, don't depend 100% on AI. Give your video a human touch and improve it manually to make it more engaging. Thanks for watching, and here's the final video. Enjoy!
Our journey begins at the edge of town, where an ancient mansion stands decrepit and abandoned. Once a place of grandeur and opulence, it now serves as a beacon of dread, drawing in those who seek to uncover its sinister secrets. Among these brave souls is a team of investigators determined to uncover the truth behind the mansion's dark past. But as they venture deeper into its labyrinthine halls, they soon realize they are not alone. Strange occurrences plague their every step,